see outside.
Back up. And down.
Where you at?
We're at the airport. I didn't know I was going to drop myself all the way over here. This is where I'm shooting my brother. So I was scared that they was like, going to take me forever. So they just got it back. So.
Hold this, let me get the bag. Hold on.
Okay. So what's yeah. Now what you got to say, Jody? Bye. For my daddy play. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm like so nervous and stuff.
So, I'm gonna tell them. So we're at the I'm coming. So we're at the airport.
Cuckoo, hi.
And my girls are about to take their first airplane ride. So let's go.
I wish my sister wanted to go on the plane today. So this her right here. Hey, this her right here.
So we're here at the Miami International Airport. This is their first airport. They actually went inside the other one just to go with me to buy a ticket, but they didn't get a ticket. So we're here right now, and we're going to gate D17. And once we make it to gate D17, that's going to be where we go. So that's Grandma. Let's go. We're eating Wendy's. What's up, y'all? Look. Oh. They just changed our flight from D17 to D42, all the way to the other side of the airplane. So now we have to get, because you asked for a burger.
That's what you asked for.
Marge, you better not ask for no snack when we on that.
Forever.
What you said, y'all?
I never saw a
Look, Johnny.
person driving in the store. I never saw this. Never.
What you never saw before?
This car driving in this thing, in this thing.
In an airport
I
like
never saw it. I never saw that, Mommy.
Currently waiting on our train. Here, Journey. Dibble. Come put your feet on. Put your feet on it. I am. Go, y'all. Go, ladies. Go. So we have been all around here. We have been in here for about 3 hours. Now we're looking for pizza. You want a bite of, daughter?
This.
Samaj and Journey. Samaj.
What's up, guys? This
Tell them.
I don't know what to do. And you see this place? It's the airplane. And this is a big airplane. It's about to pull up and we got our own TV and our own stuff. You want to show you guys? Okay. It's for the pull up. See it? Right now.
Let me see outside.
Back up.
Oh, wait a minute.
And we got our own. I know that.
They checked me because I've been on the airplane before.
Me too, Mommy.
When you was on the airplane?
At 2 o'clock ride job. That's my job. We're on the airport. Except Mommy with Josh.
Look, they didn't even pull off. We're still in Miami.
Mommy, we're going on another one.
Oh, how you know?
Because I heard it.
Okay. You okay? They need to give us a... Come on, go on the front of your bag. So when you come on, you two girls right waiting on my flight. And American Airlines still got us here yet 5 hours later. False alarm. We back off the plane.
No, but we going on another one.